So here I'm just making Vivaldi board. As you can see, it should be like 3 inches wide. So I'm cutting this board into 2 pieces. And this wood is like a normal like pine wood. So I'm just cutting it into equal 2 pieces. So here I cut 4 pieces, and now I'm taking the measurement of the hive and I'm just cutting it according to the hive size. So here I already take the sizes and I'm cutting now. I just mark it as a back and on the side, so I know which side to put together. And now I'm nail or screw them together. I'm using nails and screw, so yeah, I'm just together them. Now it's almost together. I'm gonna make now the holes for the moist to escape. So now the holes are done. I'm gonna put this mesh to stop wasps or any other insects to go inside the hive, and it's almost done now. I'm gonna make the whole other side, back and front. So here is the finished product. Now I'm gonna put this on the hive. So this is how it look like. The blue cloth is like a cloth. I put it on the top of the hive, so the moist absorbed by that, and then from this holes it get dry out.